According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 210.12b, arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI, protection is required for all 120-volt, 15-amp and 20-amp outlets installed in bedrooms. The question arises whether a light in a walk-in closet located within a bedroom needs to be in the AFCI circuit. Section 210.12b focuses on outlets within bedrooms and does not specifically mention closets within those bedrooms. To clarify, we need to consider the definition of a closet. According to Section 210.2, a closet is defined as a space used for storage that has a door or doors that can be closed. A walk-in closet fits this description, as is a type of closet large enough for someone to enter and walk around inside. Given that the walk-in closet is indeed classified as a closet, and Section 210.12b only mandates AFCI protection for outlets in bedrooms without specifically mentioning closets, the light in the walk-in closet is generally not required to be part of the AFCI circuit. However, local amendments or interpretations of the code may vary, so consulting with a local electrical inspector is always recommended. To reiterate, the key takeaway is that the NEC 210.12b mandates AFCI protection for 120-volt, 15-amp and 20-amp outlets in bedrooms. Since the code does not explicitly include closets within bedrooms in this requirement, lighting circuits within a walk-in closet are typically not required to be AFCI protected. It is very important to note that if the light in the closet is fed from an outlet, that outlet would require AFCI protection. This conclusion is based on the current understanding and interpretation of the NEC, but always double-check with local authorities and inspectors for any regional variations or specific requirements that might apply to your jurisdiction. In summary, the light fixture itself in a walk-in closet connected to a bedroom's lighting circuit is typically not required to have AFCI protection.